eating, y'all. With the fam. Period. Let me show y'all. Look at my food. Look at their food. Look at my daughter's food. We in this thing. Oh, these are crab. This right here, that's a shell. Got crab meat in it. This got crab meat in it, y'all. That's crab meat. It tastes so good, y'all. The other one, they had the other one, you know. This food so good, y'all. This rice, so good. So amazing, y'all. They lemonade is so good. Oh my god. They so good, baby. But anyway, y'all, I'm finna hang with my little family. And we just, you know, eating. See y'all guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.